Hi guys, I'm back with part two, and my goodness, it is very cold out here, but I am all dressed in my mother's coat, so I'm basically prepared for the winter. Wow, my people, look there, look there, right there, look there, snow on the branches. It's a it's a pine tree, my people. Look here, my people. I'm holding the branch with all the piled up snow, and my goodness, look how beautiful it is. For persons who have never encountered winter in Canada, it is bitterly cold, but I am braving it. Oh my gracious me, look there. Wow, I'm going here, show you the amount of snow that is on the ground. There, my people, look here, look there. I'm holding this piece of snow that has basically turned, it becomes icy now. Look here, my people. Look here, I'm outside, as I said. Look how beautiful the ice formation on the pine branches. Here, my people. Wow, isn't this beautiful? Okay, I've braved and stepped outside, and I'm showing you the formation of the snow and many trees in the neighborhood. My people, look here. Look at the amount of snow that has been pushed by the snow truck, and it has piled up here, my people. Look there. Oh my goodness. And look here. Here, my people. This is just a section of my mother's complex. As I said, I'm extremely fascinated with the formations on the trees. See, the a little part has to be cleaned for us to walk the track. You have to make sure there's a track to get into the house. And here in front of the garage, look here. Wow, look at this formation of ice, my people. Look there. Oh my goodness, look here. Look here, my people. This is ice, solid as a rock, as we would say back home in Jamaica. Solid as a rock. Look there. This is, yes, yeah. Put my foot down and look there. This is the amount of snow. There, my people. There. This is the boat. See my people. And this is to the back. I'm going around here. Snow everywhere. This is next door. There, my people, look how beautiful this is. Hey, look here. Oh, the sage. The sage is covered with the sage is covered with ice or snow. But that's alright. I am walking. This is to the back of my mother's home. Here, my people. Oh my goodness! Look at the flower pots. There are so much snow on them. Look here. This is the step. My people, winter in Canada is very hard. Look at the amount of snow. Snow everywhere. Look at this beauty. Look at those beautiful trees next door. There, my people. Wow. Look at the top of this outdoor shed covered with snow. Gosh, look there. Taking all the way down that you can see the back. Oh my goodness, it is cold. Extremely cold. My people, this is what the Canadians have to encounter when it's winter time here. My people, this is another one for you in the cold Canada. Wow. Another one here. Here might be snow on the branches of the 3 pine trees at my mother's home. Right, people. Wow. I'm telling you, my people, it can be extremely cold, as I said, but this is what nature does. I thank you so much for part 2 of this amazing snow video. My beautiful subscribers, again, I say thank you. My new subscribers, I thank you. Hope that you have enjoyed all my videos that I have presented. And to my potential, or for those that are just viewing for the first time, welcome. And if you have not yet subscribed, my door is open. You will be welcome at any level. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.